Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Yinka. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making this gown. We are going to be using satin for the lining. So it's going to have double lining for the upper part, but the lower part is just going to be only the satin has the lining. It's for a client. I'm not going to be the one to fit this for you, but hopefully the client will allow me to video her when she comes for fitting. So you're definitely going to see it on her. Otherwise, I will just wear it for mannequin for you to see the outcome of the style. So first off, I'll fold my satin into two, like, then you fold it again like this. From the top now, I'll measure ½ inch downward. That's going to be my allowance. Place that 17 on this line. I'll measure her hip line, then the length for the gown. Okay, on the waistline, I will input starting from the folded here. Starting from the folded edge here, I will measure the waist divided by 4. Our waist is 30, so divided by 4, that will be 8 inches. 1 inch for my darts, 2 inches same allowance. Our hip is 44 divided by 4, that will be 11. Then you add your seam allowance. Then after that, whatever is on the hip line, you minus 2 and put it at the hem line. So you connect them together like this. Then don't forget to contour the zipper side. I'll use this to cut out the lace, but then I'm going to be adding some extension to the lace because it's going to be longer. Okay, altogether I want it to be 48, so I'm going to be extending the lace. Done. You see that I extend the lace. Okay, so what I'll need to do next is for me to just keep the lace aside, then work on this. So first off, you go to your sewing machine, you turn your machine down to the longest stitch, you close this zipper side all the way down. Okay, close the zipper side all the way down. I've joined the skirt together at the zipper side. I use a contrasting thread so that you can see it. It's all joined all the way down. So you open it this way. Use your iron and open the seam allowance. You can see I've not put my darts, but I just want to shave the down part first. So you place the front on top of it. The wrong side here will be facing the wrong side. Okay, so it's going to just be like this. So the next thing I'm going to do now, at this side, I'm just going to come up by 5 inches, and I'll slant it. I'll slant it to the other side seam. Then I'll connect it with a slant. I'll cut it. What I'll do next is just to take to the machine now. I'll hem the bottom part for both the front and the back. You can see this is how the back is. So I'll go ahead also, I'll lose the basting stitch that I have on the zipper side. Okay, so I'm using the basting stitch. So this is how it's looking. So this is it. Okay, can you see? So this is how it's going to look. From the inside you can see the slant line. Okay, it's pretty simple, and yeah, that's how to do this. So the next thing I'm going to do now is just to sew in my dart, and then after that I will attach the upper part of my gown together with this skirt part for both the front and the back. So I will attach the upper part to it now. The upper part and the lower part together for the back. Do now is to place them on top of each other, right side to right side, and close the center back. Then I will attach my zipper. Make sure when you are closing everything align properly. So you measure 9 inches from the waistline downward, and from that 9 inches you close it to where you want your slit to start from. So from here all the way to where I want my slit to start from. So this is it. So I'll go ahead, I'll attach my zipper. So the next thing now is to join front and back together at the shoulder, and then you attach your sleeve and then close this. I'll finish the neckline with my bias. Here is a quick illustration about the upper part of this dress. It's a bustier bodice with an asymmetric yoke. I already have a detailed tutorial of how you can cut this type of yoke on the channel. The link will be in the description box, or you can just click the screen, it will take you straight to that tutorial. Okay, then as for the back, I already posted the tutorial yesterday, so if you have not seen that tutorial, please check through the page. It's right there on this channel. So that will be the end of the tutorial for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.